Hello kids, how are you? We will learn in this video animals and their homes. So let's start. A home is a place where we feel safe and peace. Our home is where we live, sleep, work and play. It's where we store food and other stuffs. It's the place that make us feel safe from danger or uncomfortable things. So let's start. In this video, we will learn 100 animals and their home's name. Let's start kids. We will see first animal, alligator. Alligator live in nest. Next animal is aardvark. Aardvark home, burrow, den. Ant, farmicary, hive or nest. Ape, logging or nest. Armadillo, burrow. Badger, hole, set. At, roost, cave. Bear, den, cave. Next animal, beaver, beavery, lodge, burrow. Next insect, bee, aviary, beehive and hive. Battle, land, tunnel. Next, bird, aviary or nest. Bittern, nest. Buffalo, barn, bear, pasture, stable. Camel live in desert. Next animal, cat, cattery, lair or den. Cattle, barn, bear, pasture, stable. Cheetah, safari, savanna. Chicken, coop. Chimpanzee, trees. Next animal is cockroach. Cockroach live home, service, privacy. Coyote, lair. Crane, live in nest. Crocodile, live in nest. Next, crow, crow live in nest. Deer, deer live in grass, trees and bushes. Dog live in kennel. Dolphin live in dolpharium. Donkey, donkey's home name is barn, shed. Dove, columbarium, dovecot. Duck live in nest or pond. Eagle home, aries. Elephant live in deep wall, nest. Ferret, cage. fish, aquarium, valley or pond. Fly, cracks, crews. Fox, burrow, hole, lair. Frog, froggery, ranarium. Garbil, garbilarium. Giraffe, safari. Goat, locker, pen. Gorilla, nest. Grasshopper, grassland. Grouse, home name is nest. Ginea, fig. Hutch, cage. Hamster, cage. Hare, farm. Hawk, hickory, mew. Hippopotamus, river banks. Hornet, hive. Horse, stable, mew, stall. Hyena, den. Kangaroo, hollow tree. Koala, tree. Leopard, safari, savanna. Lion, lion lives in den. Llama, hut. Mole, burrow, fortress, tunnel. Monkey, tree. Mouse, mousy, land. Mouse, mousy, hole. Nightingale, nest. Ostrich, whelps. Otter, couch, halt, lodge. Owl, owlery. Panda, bamboo tree. Parrot, cage. Penguin, penguinary. Pig, coat, pen, stay. Pigeon, coat, loft. Polar bear, hole, burrow. Porcupine, burrow, hollow, trunk. Porpoise, sea, aquarium. Possum, tree, forest. Rabbit, hutch, burrow, hole. Raccoon, den, burrow. Rat, nest, hole. Raven, ravenary. rhinoceros. 7. Wallow. Rook, nest. Sea lion, rockery. Shark, sea. Sheep, cot or coat, fold or pen. Snail, snellery. Snake, ophidarium or snakery. Sparrow, nest. Spider, web. Squirrel, dry or dray. Swan, swanery. Termite, termitarium, mound. Tiger, tiger home name is lair. Turtle, sea. Viper, hole, borrow. Wallaby, hollow tree. Whale, whalery. Wolf, lair or den. Wombat, burrow. Woodpecker, nest. Yak, hill, mountain, barn. Zebra, safari, welded. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.